What's going on YouTube? So in front of me we have a 2021 Yamaha MT10 and we're going to be putting some tank grips on this bike today. I don't always put tank grips on my motorcycles, but this tank is so large, and I'll give you a little walk around here. It almost looks naked with nothing on the tank, so I think it's going to be a really nice add-on. Yeah, massive tank on this thing. Give you a good look in the daylight here. We'll go inside the garage, clean it up, and get these things installed. I think it's going to turn out really good. So this is what I bought, the tech spec grips. These were about $100. Let's open them up and apply some adhesive promoter. So super nice kit here, came with some alcohol wipes. Just went over the tank to make sure she's nice and clean. You can see we got a little bit of grime off, and coming and looking at the bike here, that's exactly what you're looking for. Kind of a mirror finish. You really want this to last. You don't want them lifting with a pressure washer type thing. And then we're gonna double up with some adhesive promoter. So looking at the shape of the tank, there are a lot of bends and curves where some of these pieces are gonna be going on. So something like this, you're really gonna wanna make sure you get some adhesive promoter where it's gonna bend and possibly lift. So just be diligent when you're applying these. There's our adhesive promoter. Let it cure just enough to get tacky, but not fully dry. And let's get this thing installed. And just like that, we have some tank grips installed. So on this bike, I really like it. It encourages you to grip the tank with your legs and take some of that weight off of your wrists. And it really helps with fatigue, and it looks good at the end of the day as well. So let's get this thing out in the daylight so you can get a really good look at it. But I think it really brings this bike to life, makes that tank look a lot better. It's not just a big blob on top of the machine. Love it. And here she is in the daylight, all said and done. So you guys be the judge. I think this looks unreal. For $100, totally worth it. Let me know in the comments below if you would do this to your bike. Thanks for watching.